Good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful day. I have a special one I have to do for one of my friends. She has a truck. There's a couple things I'm gonna do to the truck. I'm gonna try to do separate videos for each of them, but there's a couple things. The first one I'm gonna tackle, let me show you guys the truck first. There's a beautiful car. So the first one I'm gonna tackle is this one. I got some bezel I'm gonna replace. It's gonna look really nice. It's a really nice truck. I like the little detailings. Now if you guys can see that, and even in the door handle, it's really nice. The paint, I don't know what kind of paint it is, but it has metallic flake and blue metallic flake. It is really nice. I wish you could see it through the camera, but it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna start working on this car. Very nice car. Very nice car. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what we're going to do. I'll show you the car. Let me show you exactly what we're going to do. I bought these. My friend actually bought them. I believe she bought them on Amazon. I don't remember. And yeah, I believe she bought these on Amazon. Let me show you what we're doing. So these are gonna be replaced with these guys here, these LED fogs. So these goes in like that, and they go sequential, and also they do daytime running light. And then there's a back plate here where the fog light will connect to. Let's jack the car up and then start working on this little install. I think that's going to be looking really nice. Let's go. Yes. Let's get this guy.
My feet are very strong too.
I believe you.
I'm just kidding. It's just that my legs help my feet do that. Oh.
Good job. Okay.
My leg strength goes to my feet to help them push on stuff.
They do.
Like stuff when we're fixing cars. I'm just gonna go inside for something. Papa,
Yes,
this car is bigger and your car is a little bit smaller. Why is this one big?
because this one is for a family that has a lot of kids. They can put all the kids inside the one car. Alright, tire has been removed. So to get to this one might be a little hard. I think there's a couple. Take this out, this. I don't need these off. And then I think I have to access it through here. So there's a 10 here and another one back here. And then I'm gonna try to flip it over, and one down here, flip it over, and then go to work on it. Okay, so there's a clip right here, there's a bolt here. Now I'm just trying to, oh, there's another clip I need to take off. I'm trying to take as less as possible so we can take this off. Take this one off too, to be safe.
Papa,
Yeah.
can I be the measure man?
Yes, you will be.
Let's take it up again. Papa, watch this.
Nice. Hey guys, this has to come out as well. You twist it once and then you push it from the back a little bit. Alright. And then I'm gonna take the whole thing off. Just trying to work it out. Push it to the side. Whew. You get a zip tie and tie it to the strut right here so it doesn't come off. Just zip tie it. Zip tie here now. So now here is the fog light.
In the animals,
Through here, there's a pop clip right there. There's two more screws. Oops. There's two more screws up here. I'm gonna have to take them off. And then I think there's a couple of other stuff. There's a couple of other stuff over here somewhere that I may have to take off. Pop clip right there I gotta take off, and then the other one I'll just pop clip also here. Alright, fog light is out. Oh, there's another screw here. Alright, there's one here, another one there, and then this pop clip right here gotta come out. Alright, let me try to do it because I can't do this holding the camera. Oh, this one right here is the top clip all the way to the top there. See if I could show it to you. This clip right here, where my hands is, right in there. It's giving me a little trouble, but I'll get it. Just put the camera down. I'm gonna try again. I think I have to push this. I have to push this in. There's a little tab here. I have to push this in and then pull it out. So let me try it. Alright guys, this cable clip right here get clipped here, so it's a little hard to take. You get clips here, get a little hard to take it off, but you just push the tab up like that and then you pull it out. What's wrong, there's another screw. Let me see if I can show you. See where my screwdriver is? There's a screw back here, right back there. So I'm gonna try to get to that as well. So that way, so I can take this first cover off and then the next cover. So let's do it. Okay, let's try to pop this out. All right, this. Take out this part. You have to one hand in the front, one hand in the back. There's a bunch of little clips in the back that you have to pull out and then push this outward. So pull this one clip here. You'll hear the little pop. The other one, there's one on the top here. Push it out. And one here. Just trying to put your hand in the back and trying to feel. When you put the hand in the back, you'll feel where the clips are, and then so you can just trying to push them out. Okay, there's another one. Almost there. There's a clip right here that I forgot to take out, so that's why it's not coming out. This boy right here. Let me try to pop it out. I'm almost there. I got it. Okay. Okay, I got it out. There's a pop clip on the top, screws, and these tabs get clipped into here. So it's gonna look like when it's done. Let me just pop it in. gonna be beautiful. Let me finish it up. And then on the top like that, see this pop clip that goes on the top, it goes down like this. Pop clip. Right here is a screw that goes here. I put a pop clip here, right there. And then there's a couple more stuff I need to do. I gotta put this first because I believe the fog light screws into this. This is a protective shield for the fog. Put this in first. Okay. Put one screw back. There's one here, that little hole there. There's a pop clip here. Let me see if you can see. Right here, there's a pop clip where the flashlight is, and there's probably another pop clip on the top, and that will be it for this bezel. All right, guys, the last one to go in is the fog light. So it goes like this. See these two holes here? There's a little hole here. They go in here, and see, slide in like that. And then you put the two screws that goes in the rack, and then I plug it in. Sorry I couldn't talk. I was holding the flashlight with my mouth, trying to show you guys how this works. It goes upside down, like that. It goes like that. Snap, like that, and then put the other screws in, and that's it. So here's a little ballast for it. I'm gonna run the cables down just to make sure I connected it, because once I put the bumper stuff back in there, I won't have to go back in there. I just put these back. I gotta put the screws back in. One here, one there, and one here. Now let me cut this zip tie off. I don't need it anymore. It was just there for a holder. Flip this around, flip this around like that, and now put the clips back in, and there's it. This. This is a lot easier because there wasn't that little, condenser or oil warmer thing that was in the way. So this should be a lot quicker. There's a screw here, pop clip here, these two pop clips. This is for the fog light, these two both. There's a couple pop clip on the top there, and there's a screw, I don't know if you could see right here. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys. After I take out the fog light, take out the light, you have one screw right here to take out. Another one right here. One on the top here. Okay. And I believe there's like a pop clip where my hand is, right here. Gotta take that out for the first cover. Let me put the camera down and do it. There is a screw also right here that I forgot to tell you guys about. This one right here, I gotta take that out too. Also pop clip right here to hold this bezel right here. There we go. Here is, take it out of the packaging. Okay, lovely. Okay. Let's put this on. Show you guys. I found out after I did the first one, I found out it's so much easier to put this thing together by itself and less thing that you have to do. So I'm gonna fish the wire out of this hole here, which is perfect for it. Here we go. Snap, snap, snap. Let's put this back in. There we go, done. Now I have to put all the screws back in, and that will be testing and then connecting it, see what it looks like. All right, let's go put the stuff in now. Now we'll put this fog light back. Excuse my hand, been touching a lot of dirt, that's why that's so dirty. I believe it goes this way. All right, let's try to put it back in. It's basically similar to the first one I did. These are just pop clips, but they're so small I have to use one of these little tiny tools to take them out. Plan is to take this cable right here, route it all the way behind here so you can't see it, have it come down back here. So guys, this one I'm wrapping the cable that's supposed to go to the passenger side, so to make sure it doesn't get snagged in anything, because it's a smaller cable. I just want to make sure it's properly insulated from any and everything, like what I'm trying to pull it through, it doesn't get snagged or broken somewhere. Okay, I'll just put this cover back. guys, I'm gonna show you what I did. This is the passenger size. So basically I just used these tap wires for the turn signal, one for the right, one for the left, and then I'm gonna connect it back. Then I route the cable all the way through here, cable all the way through there, and in the glove box I added a fuse. Is here. This is a cable. I wrapped the cable just to make sure everything is safe. Zip tied it. Zip tie. I'm gonna zip tie this as well right here, if you can see it. And then we can test it. We can definitely see that the white is working. And turn signal, it's running fast because the other light is not working because I disconnected it. Once it's finally connected, it's gonna be fine. So this is pretty much done. I'm gonna do a final walkthrough and show you guys when it's done. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the turn signal that I just did. I hope you can see it. Hope you can see it. It's a little bright and the fog light is still working. Really nice. Look at that. And then when the lights are on, they're running lights. I'm gonna completely turn off the lights. Here's the daytime running lights. Whew. Wow, wowee. Very nice.
You can't see the true brightness on video because it's that bright, which it makes it look so much better in the dark. Like, video doesn't even do justice to how this looks. Yeah. All right, this is the low beams with the fog. Yo, it's so bright with just the low beam, the fog light, and the sequential light alone.